back to my channel. Today I just did another tutorial with the Morphe palette. I have been playing around with this palette since I got it. I haven't been able to record any videos because I haven't really been feeling well. I've been getting a lot of headaches. I go see the specialist next month. I can't wait to go see them so I can hopefully get something to help these symptoms that I'm having go away. But I have been doing a lot with this palette. I've been using a lot of the lighter colors, a lot of the browns. You guys saw the purple look that I did. I've been using like a lot of like these colors up in here. I haven't really tapped into this corner down here, so that's what I did today. I used this color right here, this color right here, and a little bit of this color right here, and I came up with this. So and I absolutely loved that shimmer shade, the one that's on my eyes. I don't know what color it is because it's not on. I really, that's the only complaint I have, is that this stupid thing isn't on the palette. I always put it on upside down and backwards, and then I can't read it. Oh my god. Okay. Oh, that's the color. Fitting. And I've swatched it like a million times on my hand and looked at it, but I haven't touched it yet, so I was really excited to just come down and kind of do a simple look with that today. And if you guys are new to my channel, hi, my name is Amanda Marie, welcome. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button before you go, and give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Also, you can go ahead and hit the little notification bell. It will let you know every time I upload so that you can see my videos first. And that's pretty much so. If you guys want to see how I came up with this look with this palette, then stay tuned for the tutorial. I'm going to get into it right now. I will see you guys soon. I love you. Bye. So the first thing I'm going to do is take my MAC paint pot, and I'm going to go ahead and apply that to my lid with my Real Techniques base shadow brush. And then for my transition shade, I'm going to use the colors Canvas and Thunder. I'm going to mix them together with my BH Cosmetics Pro Series number 8 brush. I'm going to put that into my transition area. Next, I'm going to take the color Pine on my Morphe M505, and I'm going to go ahead and blend that into my transition area as well. And then taking a clean Morphe M433, I am just going to go in and just blend that out to get rid of any harsh lines or edges. Then I'm going to take my little BH Pro Series brush number 6, and I am going to go into the color Indigo, this blue, and I'm going to put that into my crease. And then taking my big fluffy BH Cosmetics Pro Series number 5 brush, I'm going to go in, this is clean, there's nothing on it, I'm going to go in and with a super light hand and holding the brush at the very bottom, I'm just going to, in circular motions, blend that blue out a little bit higher on to my lid. And I just wanted to show you how loosely I'm holding the brush. Just to kind of fan that out a little bit. Now I'm going to take my Luxie 249 and I'm going to use the flat end of it. I'm going to spray it with my coconut water, and I'm going to go ahead into the color, which is that awesome shimmery greenish blue all kinds of colors color. And I'm going to apply that to my lid with the wet end of the brush. And now I'm just going to go back in with my Morphe M505, and I'm just going to sharpen up my crease a little bit, blend it out a little bit, make sure that the sides look decent before I go ahead and put on my mascara. Almost forgot to put shadow on my lower lash, so I'm just going to go back in with the greenish color and the bluish color that I used in my crease, and I'm gonna apply that right to the bottom lash line. Now I'm going to take my Morphe M507, which is a teeny tiny little blending brush, and I'm just going to kind of smoke that lower lash line out. So now taking my Morphe M431, I am going to go in with the ColourPop Pressed Face Powder and just the color highlighter. There really isn't a color. I'm gonna apply that into the corner of my eyes and also to my brow bone. And then I'm going to take my Wander Beauty Unlashed Volume and Curl Mascara and just apply that to my lashes. So this is the final look that I came up with for this tutorial. I hope you guys like this video. Give it a thumbs up, and I will see you all soon. I love you. Bye-bye.